Hi, my name is Oscar Guzmán, and I'm going to talk about technology and the environment, relating each of the topics proposed by Task 4 of the B2 English course. The first topic is my opinion about the positive and negative effects of technology on the environment. Well, we can find quite a positive effect for the environment thanks to the construction of electric cars, which have greatly reduced air pollution. We also find the constant use of electronic data through notes, emails, and different documents, which has reduced the use of paper and at the same time has reduced deforestation. On the other hand, the creation of electronic devices such as drones to have greater control of care and environmental prevention, positively helping the planet. As for the negative effects, we can find the scarcity of natural resources and excessive pollution of the air, water, and land due to the operation of different technology companies and their production processes. We can see, for example, how air pollution directly attacks the ozone layer, increasing global warming. Technology has also brought with it the growth of cities, which has increased the use of electric energy, and this represents a harmful factor for the planet. The second topic is a question. How do you see the future of our planet? Well, I think that in the future global warming will become more and more pronounced. There will be severe pollution of air, water, and land. Disasters will arise, such as forest fires and floods, events that will make the planet hard and unlivable place. All this is a consequence of the progressive technological development and the indiscriminate pollution generated by human beings. Finally, the third topic asks us how to mitigate environmental damage. It is time to unite and create solutions to save our planet, using different virtual media to promote a culture of individual and collective environmental care. At all times, we must disseminate through our cyber channels information, ideas, and solutions to stop the environmental crisis we are experiencing. It is important to raise awareness and promote positive environmental behaviors such as recycling, don't litter, and other procedures to gradually mitigate environmental damage. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.